everybody! So the Apple Watch Series 6 is finally here and we've got two of them. This is the 40mm one, this is the 44mm one, and we also got two extra bands. So this is the sport band and this is the sport loop. So we're just gonna unbox all of them right now. So we're gonna unbox this one first. This is the 44mm. Okay, easy tearing, man. Okay, come out. Nice. And strip off the other one too. Okay. I'm scared. Oh, okay, that's easy. So, ooh, my mom. I just slide it out. I'm gonna do the same for this one. Ooh, it's red inside. So this is the product red one. Oh, you don't even have to slide it out, you can just open it. So we've got this red aluminium case, 40mm, with its red band. And then we've got the 44mm, oh no, millimeter, graphite stainless steel black, and its sport band, which is also black. So let's just open the black one first. I'm pretty sure this is like the phone now. Come on, it's gonna take forever. And I have to open two. Come on! Oh, okay. It is wrapped in, oh, it's not even plastic. What is this? I'm not sure what is this cover that is protecting it, but it feels legit, like solid. And this is the 44mm. My god, I keep saying millimeter case, okay? Feels solid. Okay, and at the back there is this 4 clusters and 4 photodiodes, but we'll talk about that later. So we've got, what is this? Oh, some manuals, right? And then we have the charger, wireless charger. Okay. Oh, let's take out the band first, right? So this is the black sport band. I'm supposed to strip it like this. Oh, it's a pizza. We've got the band, right? So you have like a shorter one and a longer one depending on your wrist size. Okay, now the 40mm case, which is probably the one that fits my wrist. Okay, this whole thing is so cool, right? See it? So this is product red. You can already see the aluminium red case, and it's also covered by a red cover. The whole packaging is just fancy. Okay, right? So this, oh, it's so much tinier. This is the bigger one, this is the tinier one, right? Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong. It's probably the same thing inside. You got your manual, it's also red, because product red, and you get your wireless charger. Sadly, this isn't red, but it's okay, right? And then we're gonna strip off this plastic and find ourselves a red sport band. Ta-da! This is super cute. Oh my god. I don't know if I will be using the longer band. I'll try it out later. I think I'll probably be using the shorter one. Right? Alrighty, so while we're charging the Apple Watches for a bit, let's also unbox the extra bands we've got. Same thing applies. Strip off the plastic. This is called Kumquat Sport Loop. So I guess I was expecting yellowish green since you're saying kumquat, but it's orange. Oh, it got stuck by a sticker here. Alrighty, this is a very orangey sport loop. So instead of your usual buckles, you know how you clip two together, this is just one, so you just connect it like that on your Apple Watch, right? And then you're supposed to just, that's why you call it a loop. So it's a loop and it's not very stretchy, I guess. And now we've got the second one, which is Apple Watch Nike Sport Band. Strip this too. It's called Spruce Aura / Vapor Green Nike Sport Band. Take it out. Oh, okay, this is definitely eye-catching. And probably not for those who have trypophobia like me. It's a bit, Alrighty, so I'm just gonna wear this Apple Watch right now. This is the smaller band and it fits right. I guess I need to make it tighter, but this is how it feels like. It's really light. It doesn't feel like there's something like dragging dragging your arm, like, you know. And it's super soft, super smooth, so very comfortable to wear. Alright, and now this is the 44mm one. I don't know how to wear it on my right arm, but I am going to try. Yeah, so this is, oh, this feels weird, only because it's on my right wrist. But this is the 44mm one. How do I show you? Oh, okay, right, like this. So this is the smaller one, and this is the bigger one. And I think this is a bit too big for me because it kind of covered like my whole wrist compared to this. So yeah, if I had to pick one, definitely this. So right now we're gonna start pairing the Apple Watch to my iPhone. So just press continue, and this is start pairing, and they'll tell you how to set it up. You can set it up for yourself or for a family member, but like, I think the family setup is not available in Malaysia yet because your local courier will need to support this whole cellular thingy. So I'm just gonna set up for myself, and you put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera like this. Ooh, that is fast. Okay, now there's a software update. Do I update now? She says no, skip the update and continue. So I set it up as a new Apple Watch. Can I just do this? Okay. Yes, so I've switched my hand, obviously. You can create a passcode, but I'm not insecure. Don't add passcode. So my watch is finally done syncing, and they say press the digital crown to start. Oh, it just vibrated. Hey! So this is the Apple Watch Series 6. We've got some swipe down, see controls, you know what we've learned just now. This is your notification, clear all. Flip it over, okay. Like that. So I press OK on my phone. So basically this is all my app settings, update Apple ID settings. We'll do that later, I guess. So the first thing to try out is definitely the watch face. Oh, it's Siri. Oh, Siri works. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, bye. Watch face. Right, so you just tap and hold. So there are a few watch face here. This is, I think, the basic one that we've seen. What is new? Artist, astronomy, if you like gazing at the stars. So all this, I think, yeah. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Fire and water, so it's like a split half-half. But what I am looking for is the Memoji. It's here! Okay, so this is the Memoji one. I don't know. Is this a sign? Are they indicating I'm a pig? So you can even customize your Animoji/Memoji on the watch. There's this edit button. So right now it's a cow. You can scroll it to different Animojis, or you can even put it to all, which will give you, it'll kind of alternate if I'm not wrong. But you can also put it to your own Memoji. I'm kind of scrolling to it right now. So this is my Memoji, and if you have extra characters, you can even put two of them together. So let's just say I go with this one. Oh, you can also change the color. So look at the background color, right? I don't really like green, so maybe purple. Okay, and complications. So basically, this is your date and your time, and I think this is the weather. Yeah, so basically everything that you can set up, you can do it here. Yes, that's basically it for Apple Watch. Watch faces. There are a few more, but this is kind of my favorite for now. So let's move on to the next feature. So now we're going to test out the most important feature of this watch, which is the blood oxygen level. So there are a few tips on how you can get more accurate measurement. We're just going to press start. 97! So the normal range is 95% to 100. So I guess I am normal, yay me. But if you don't measure it manually, I heard that it will also automatically measure for you as you go throughout your day. So this is basically the watch UI. Also slightly tripophobic, but you get a bunch of apps, whatever you need. You have your Apple Music right here. App Store if you want to download extra apps. What is this? Oh, this is your Memoji. So you can actually create your Memoji on watch. Yeah. So it's like a simpler version, I guess. You can choose your skin, your hairstyle, your brows. I already have my Memoji, so I'm not going to do that right now, right? So, like the Apple Watch Series 5, the Apple Watch Series 6 has an always-on Retina display, but it's also better. So, it's supposedly brighter now when you are at outdoors. At outdoors? Yeah, at outdoors. And it also have an improved battery life. So, it still has the similar 18 hours battery life, but it supposedly can handle the battery better when it comes to some exercises and modes, and it also charged faster. So Series 5 needed like 2.5 hours to charge. This only need 1.5 hours, so you're kind of saving that extra hour. Other than that, it's almost the same. You get ECG, which is not available in Malaysia. You get altimeter, but this is an always-on altimeter, which is useful if you're someone who likes hiking or climbing mountain, but that obviously doesn't apply to me. And you obviously get heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, and there's this noise app that kind of tell you if your ambient sounds, ambient environment is too loud and not good for you, something like that. So it's just basically a bunch of health monitoring features that are quite advanced. So other than that, just like the Watch Series 5, you also get fall detection, but I can't fake it because we tried doing that and it doesn't work. It kind of know you're faking it. And it has 50-meter water resistance, so don't worry about swimming with this watch. But what is different is that the Apple Watch Series 6 is now powered by an S6 chipset, so it's better and faster. And it also have a U1 band, which supposedly can unlock your car, so you can actually use the watch to unlock your car. But then again, I don't even have a car, let alone a fancy one, so doesn't apply to me again. So that's basically it for the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6 and the new features that we get to try out, which is mainly the watch face, the Memoji watch face, and blood oxygen monitoring. So these are the prices for the 40mm one. It starts at 1749 ringgit. But if you want the GPS and cellular version, it's 2,199 ringgit. As for the 44mm, it starts at 1,899 ringgit for the GPS only version. But if you want GPS and cellular, it's 2,349 ringgit. And as usual, Apple and its premium pricing, so you know, but I like it. So that's the end of our video today. If there's anything you'd like us to test out or any features you'd like to know more about, you can just comment in the section down below and let us know. We might just test it out for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.